Thank you, Carolyn. Thank you, Shelley. Thank you, Alex.
You're very welcome.
Well, we really learned a lot today.
About eclipses, how they work, and how they affect people.
I would like to leave you with one final challenge.
Are eclipses or transits only caused by a moon's shadow on a planet? As our astronauts travel to the moon, Mars, and beyond, will they encounter any other object in space that may have the same angular size as that of the sun? Are there other relationships that might create an eclipse?
Conduct your research on the internet, and you can work together to find an answer. And you can get back in touch with me at NASA Connect. Well, this wraps up another episode of NASA Connect. We'd like to thank everyone who helped make this program possible.
Got a comment, question, or suggestion? Email them to Connect.
So until next time, stay connected to math, science, technology, and NASA. Goodbye for now.
Hi, my name is Mary Sanchez. I work for NASA. I'm also a member of the American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics, or AIAA. We can help your students learn how math and science are used in everyday life. For more information on how to request a mentor for your classroom, please visit the NASA Connect website.